Okay, my my three number combination lock is made out of wood. It has internally a lot of stuff in there, like a real lock, but in this case everything is made out of wood. The pin that locks whatever you lock, a lever that only opens the lock if the three numbers are selected right. So let's dial in the first number. We dial at least 2 rotations clockwise to get the first number, which is 15. Then we dial counterclockwise to get the second number, which is 25. So we're set on 25, see, 25. And now we turn clockwise again to dial the third number in, which is 35. So, watch how it opens. Boom. Open the lock. See, the bar here has slotted into all 3 slots, and the lock procedure is very simple. We lock, see? And because we did it forcefully, the segments are scrambled. But in order to make sure that nobody accidentally locks in again, you scramble them some more, and now, see, it's locked.